On behalf of a Rupert class and our respected teachers, I welcome our esteemed guests for the special assembly of Class 8. The topic of our assembly is perseverance. According to Oxford Dictionary, perseverance is the persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success. Perseverance is the persistence. Perseverance means to keep trying and not give up, even when things are challenging or take long.
Perseverance is the hard work to do after you get tired of doing hard work you have already did. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack in will. Perseverance is not a long race. It is many short races, one after the other.
Let's start the assembly with some news.
National news headline: MCP President Sharad Pawar from the National News SPS ranking the Indian boxing conference for the Asian Games is announced to be the match skill rated volunteers in Manipur Army on 2024. Feroz Alexander defeated Yoga at London Global Physical Inward of defeated by the number 8. Ukraine says Russia carries out airstrikes for second night on its Odessa port. Thank you.
Now I would like to call upon my friends for a Hindi poem on the topic of कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती by Garhwal Devi. A profound poem parent. Hard work always pays. There's a saying, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Even when things become difficult, the strong people keep working. My friends are here to motivate you to keep in spite of roadblocks with their dance. Depicting the same God. The name of the skit is My Cherry Tree.
Rakesh lived in Missouri with his grandfather. Since in the village, his parents lived in, had no food. So he was having living with his grandfather. He and his friends cut cherries from a tree nearby one day. They were very sweet. Rakesh started putting the seeds in the corner of the garden. Rakesh, what are you doing? Nadu?
I hope you enjoyed the skit. Perseverance is the only key to succeed. I would now like to call my friend to recite an English poem about perseverance by the revered poet Robert Frost. With this, we come to the end of our assembly. I would like to thank everyone for being here with us, and I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day ahead.
Good morning, dear students. I hope you enjoyed the assembly and you understood the purpose of it. Perseverance is a quality which every one of us should have. Perseverance is the only key to succeed. Sometimes, there is not a single person in this world who has succeeded in the first time. It is important to go on and on and on. Okay? Now I would request Mrs. Ma'am to come and say a few words.
Good morning. Good morning and welcome, dear parents. It was a wonderful assembly, and let's first give a big applause to class 5. So what's the topic of the assembly today? Perseverance. And as explained so beautifully in the assembly and even by Neha ma'am, it is the continued effort to do something despite facing failures or difficulties. Many great people in the world, many successful people in the world, they have reached greater heights and prominence only due to sheer perseverance. A river cuts through a rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Take for instance the scientists. Many inventions and discoveries that have happened. These scientists, they keep on trying it over and again. If they had to give up hope after 1 or 2 failures, then we would have still remained backward in many fields till today. So there's a lot to learn. Never give up. Use your failures as your stepping stones for success. Because a genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. So keep persisting, keep pushing your limits and rise high in life. Thank you.